If you're preparing for the Red Seal Welder exam, you're already taking an important step toward national recognition in your trade. This certification isn't just another test. It's proof that you've mastered the skills and knowledge that welders across Canada rely on every day. So let's break down exactly what you need to know to prepare effectively and confidently for your Red Seal Welder exam. First, let's talk about what the Red Seal means. The Red Seal program sets a national standard for trades in Canada. Once you earn your Red Seal endorsement as a welder, your certification is recognized in every province and territory, meaning you can work anywhere in Canada without needing to recertify. That flexibility gives you more job opportunities, better wages, and the ability to move wherever the work takes you. Now, when it comes to the Red Seal Welder exam, it's all about understanding both theory and practical application. The exam typically includes 100 to 150 multiple choice questions, and you'll have around 4 hours to complete it. These aren't just memory questions, they're based on real job situations. You might see diagrams, blueprint interpretations, or questions about metal preparation, electrode selection, or welding safety standards. In other words, the exam tests not just what you know, but how you think as a welder. To prepare, it's important to study in sections, not all at once. Start with safety and equipment, since that's a major focus on every Red Seal exam. Then move on to welding processes, like SMAW, GMAW, FCAW, and GTAW, making sure you understand their applications and advantages. Don't forget to review blueprint reading, weld symbols, and metallurgy basics, since these come up often. And of course, brush up on math for welders. Calculating angles, lengths, and material thicknesses are all part of the trade. Here's a pro tip: link what you're studying to what you do every day. If you're reviewing joint design, think about the last time you welded a T-joint or a fillet weld on the job. Connecting theory to practice helps the information stick. And that's what the exam is designed to reward. You'll do best when you can apply your real-world experience to the questions in front of you. Most successful welders start studying 3 to 6 months before writing the exam. Set a schedule, even if it's just 30 minutes a day. Divide your prep into small sections: safety, tools, processes, and trade math, and review consistently rather than cramming at the last minute. Remember, steady progress always beats last-minute panic. Now, let's talk about resources. If you want to make your Red Seal Welder exam prep smoother, check out redsealstudyguide.ca. They offer question and answer books, Q&A with explanations, and online time tests that simulate the real exam. You can download everything instantly. No shipping, no waiting. And review on your phone or tablet, even during a lunch break or between shifts. These resources are built for Canadian tradespeople, designed to help you study smarter, not harder. It's completely normal to feel nervous about the exam, especially if you haven't studied in years. But here's the truth: you already have most of the knowledge you need. This is about organizing what you know and strengthening the areas you don't use every day. Thousands of welders across Canada pass this exam every year, and you can too. Once you earn your Red Seal, the opportunities expand fast. You could become a supervisor, instructor, or even start your own welding business. You'll have access to higher paying jobs and recognition as a top-level tradesperson across the country. It's not just a piece of paper, it's proof of your skill, experience, and professionalism. So, if you're serious about passing your Red Seal Welder exam, start now. Build your plan, study in manageable chunks, and make use of tools like those at redsealstudyguide.ca. With the right preparation, confidence, and consistency, you'll be ready to walk into that exam and walk out with your Red Seal. You've already got the hands-on experience. Now it's time to get the certification that proves it. Stay focused, stay safe, and keep welding your way toward that Red Seal success.